Hello, happily lovers, and welcome back to our channel. Trust is the foundation of every healthy relationship, but what happens when that trust is broken? Whether it's due to a mistake, miscommunication, or past baggage, rebuilding trust takes effort, but it's absolutely possible. Today, we're exploring how to rebuild trust in a relationship with actionable tips and exercises that you and your partner can try. Why trust matters. Trust isn't just about honesty, it's about feeling safe, valued, and understood. When trust is broken, it creates emotional distance, and every little thing can start to feel like a test. Rebuilding trust means repairing that safety and rebuilding the connection brick by brick. 1. Start with open communication. Honest, non-judgmental communication is key. Set aside time to talk openly about what happened, how it made you feel, and what you both need to move forward. For example, instead of saying, "You never listened to me," try, "I felt hurt when I wasn't heard." This opens the door for understanding rather than blame. 2. Acknowledge the hurt. Whether you're the one who broke the trust or the one who feels betrayed, acknowledge the pain involved. Avoid dismissing or minimizing feelings by saying things like, "It wasn't that big of a deal." Instead, validate their experience. "I see how my actions hurt you, and I'm truly sorry." 3. Commit to transparency. Rebuilding trust requires openness and consistency. This might mean sharing your schedule if it helps ease anxieties, being upfront about plans. Trust thrives on transparency and accountability. 4. Practice trust-building exercises. Here are a few exercises you can try together. The mirror exercise. Sit facing each other and share one positive thing you appreciate about your partner. This helps rebuild positive connections. Daily check-ins. Spend 5 to 10 minutes each day sharing one high and one low from your day. It's a simple way to stay emotionally connected. The trust fall. It's a classic, but it works. Physically leaning into each other can symbolize emotional support. 5. Rebuild consistency. Trust isn't rebuilt overnight, it's about consistent actions over time. If you say you'll do something, follow through. Small promises kept daily, like texting when you say you will or showing up on time, rebuild the foundation of reliability. 6. Let go of past resentments. Carrying old grievances keeps you stuck in a cycle of mistrust. This doesn't mean ignoring the pain, it means working through it and letting go of the resentment that no longer serves the relationship. Consider therapy if you need help processing these emotions. 7. Be patient with the process. Rebuilding trust takes time. It's okay to feel frustrated or scared along the way, but remind yourself why you're working on it in the first place. Celebrate the small wins, like having a vulnerable conversation or feeling closer after a tough week. Rebuilding trust isn't about perfection, it's about showing up for each other, day after day, with love and intention. Remember, trust is built on effort, forgiveness, and a shared commitment to move forward together. What trust-building exercises have you tried? What's worked for you? Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Happily Lover for more tips on love and connection. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.